Hello, welcome to Spoon Barbecue. Today it looks like this. It's going to be a really nice day, so I'm going to make some beef ribs. Tag along and I'll show you how I'm going to do that for the first time using the snake method for the first time in my weather kettle compact for the first time. I've got this dual set of racks. There are 4 ribs in each. It's not overly thick. In total these weigh about 6.5 pounds. I've never done this before, so I'm just gonna stick to a very simple routine. I'm gonna do like Jeff over at armadillopepper.com did. He just scoured I think it was he that did it. He scoured the membrane like this. He didn't remove it. Apparently I've seen a couple of other people say that it's pretty tough getting it off. So if I'm doing this wrong, sue me. And then we're gonna remove a little bit of the excess fat of this because I don't think I need it. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil on the back. I don't know if there's a point in seasoning the back, but I will in any way. I'm gonna be using this today. Salt, pepper, garlic and some herbs, and it's pre-mixed. We've got lots of other stuff in there that might be considered bad for me, but if it makes me happy and makes me feel good, and if it tastes good, I do believe it's probably good in some way for you or for me. There we go. To the edge here. And there we go. 2 racks of beef ribs ready to stay around for a few minutes before the grill gets up to temp. And I'll bring you back when I show you when I put this on. So what I have done is I've put like a row of charcoal briquettes. I didn't make it this fancy. I just added about 3 layers, 2 or 3 layers of old mixed with new charcoal briquettes. I've lit 12 charcoal briquettes that I put on this end, and time to put the meat on. So I'm just going to put them like that to start with. This was the thickest piece right here, so I'll probe it there. I don't want it in the bone, so I'll go in right like that. That should be good. Then I would need a grate probe over here, I think. Something like that. I've got the bottom vent fully open and I will keep it there until I know that this is stable at 225. I'm going to put this over here. I also did put in a thermometer in the lid, so I'm going to try that out today. I did put it to the side. I debated that a lot. If I was going to put it like on the GBS over here, but I always have the vents away from the fire because I'm mostly cooking direct, and then that is always above the fire, not really giving me anything. So I put it to the side. Figured I'm going to try that, or actually I'm going to have it like that forever now. Okay, fire over here, vent over here. Let's get this going. It's 8 o'clock exactly, so 8 o'clock in the morning we put this on. I'll meet you back in a few hours. Okay, just bringing it back. It's been 15 minutes. This is running a little bit hot. The dome temp, which this shows, this new thermometer, is at about it's 250, and the probe says that's on the grate. It says 238, so it's a little bit high. I lowered the bottom vent to half just to see. It was fully open before, to half. Also, right after I shut the camera off last time, I remembered I hadn't put any wood chunks on, so I put 3 wood chunks on the snake. More or less after one another of mesquite, so just to get some smoke in there. Anyway, I'll bring it back in a bit. So it's been 9 hours. I've moved them around and the probe now says they are at 200. So we're just gonna try this. Feels tender, really tender. I'm gonna let these rest for a bit. So I'm gonna get them off over here. I really like that pullback. This is what we have. Kind of bubbling still.
And there we go. So they've been on for 9 hours, and the pit has been doing extremely well, keeping at between 225 and 230 the whole while, which is exactly what I was wishing for. I'm going to take the opportunity now to try out my little new thingy that I made. I don't know if you saw the other video, I'm going to link to that, where I made this charcoal grate, a charcoal holder. This is going to be welded, but I needed to try it out. The problem with it was that when I came here and this compact rail, it was a little bit too high, so I had to remove about 1 inch of the thickness. That's just underneath the grate there. This is going to work perfectly. Okay, so this has been resting for a little bit. Time to check it out. It's got a really nice bark. And I'm gonna move, you're not gonna see this I don't think, so I'm gonna move one piece to the side here so that I can cut this and show you. So there we go. We're just gonna make a cut down between these two ribs. There's a bone there. Looks really juicy. I'm gonna zoom in, let's see. It's got a nice smoke ring, and I would say that's moist. Cut another rib. The membrane is down there. It's apparent. It's a little bit thinner. It still looks really moist. I'm gonna give this a taste. Just gonna cut a little piece off here. And I'll bring you in close. Okay, it's been a sunny day. You can see it in my face. In the background you hear some real French fries going. Anyway, I'm gonna give this a try. It's got a really nice taste to it. The mesquite is coming through. It smells really nice. And the spices are really good for this. This is really, really good. Might just have to make some ribs again. Thank you for watching. Bye.